Hey everyone, welcome back to InfoBuzz Tech. In today's video, we are going to discuss about HIS, which stands for Health Insurance Scheme. And I will be answering some important questions like what does it actually cover and who pays the premium and can you include your parents in the plan and what happens to your coverage if you resign. Trust me, these are the questions every TCS employee has. And today I am going to answer all of them. By the end of the video, you will know exactly how TCS HIS works, the plans and benefits and limitations and enrollment process and the claims and everything. So if you are a TCS employee or fresher or someone preparing to join in TCS, this video is 100% for you. Let's go. Alright, let's start from the basics. TCS has tie-up with an external insurance provider, currently that is New India Assurance, and they have appointed a company called MediAssist as the TPA. TPA means third party administrator to handle all your claims and hospitalization support. Now, what does this scheme cover? It covers two main things. One is hospitalization cover. This is for when you or your family needs to be admitted to a hospital. Second, domiciliary cover. This is for treatments done at your home or OPD expenses, including dental treatment. And the policy year. It runs from April 1st to March 31st, meaning it follows the financial year. Simple enough, right? Now, who is eligible for the scheme? All full-time employees of TCS India and TCS eServe International and ACE interns, global interns, and BPO trainees are also covered. Employees posted outside India, if they are eligible dependents in India, they are still covered. And importantly, coverage continues as long as you're employed. The day you leave TCS, your coverage will be stopped. Now, this is where it gets interesting. TCS HS doesn't have just one plan. It has a multiple tiers and which one you get depends on your grade or band. Here the plans is silver plan is for the entry level, gold plan is the most common default for the most of the employees, and we have gold plus plan, platinum plan and platinum plus plan. This platinum plus plan is for the VIP plan reserved for employees at grade C5 and above. Now here's something important. You can upgrade your plan, but only during the annual enrollment window open, which is open every March and April. And you can upgrade a maximum of two levels from your default plan, not beyond the platinum. So by default, your plan is gold. You can go up to gold plus or platinum. And if your default is gold plus, you can go up to platinum. And if you are already in platinum plus, you cannot change it because it's a fixed for your grade. Now, here the catch for everyone misses. Once you upgraded a higher plan, you are locked in for 3 years. I am repeating again, it's locked for 3 years. And you cannot downgrade until 3 full policy years are completed. So think carefully before upgrading. So because you are committing to that extra premium for 3 years. Okay, this is what everyone wants to know. Who actually pays for this insurance? Here the simple breakdown. TCS pays for you because they are the employee and your spouse and up to 3 dependent children. This is a portion of the family further premium. So if you are just covering yourself, your spouse and up to 3 kids, you pay 0 for the base premium. Because TCS covers it fully, that's a great benefit. And you pay for any additional children beyond 3 and parents-in-law. And this is the age based. The older your parents, the higher the premium. And all of these deductions happen through your monthly payroll, either one or two installments of the floater premium and up to 8 installments for parents premium. One more thing, GST is applies to all premiums. Since HIS is a group policy, GST exemption is only for personal or retail insurance policies. And one critical rule, premium is not refundable once you paid. If even if you resign, if your dependent passes away, or if your children turns ineligible, there is a no refund within the policy year period. All right, now let's look at the good stuff. Here are the top advantages of the TCS HIS. Advantage 1, TCS covers your core premium. As I mentioned, self, spouse, and up to 3 kids fully covered by the TCS. This is literally as a part of your CTC. It's a huge financial benefit. Advantage 2, Wide family coverage. You can enroll your spouse, children, and parents, even parents-in-law. That's the entire family under one policy. Advantage 3. Both hospitalization and domiciliary covered. It's a not just hospital stays, even home treatments, OPD expenses, including dental are also covered. Advantage 4. Life-changing event window. If you are got married and had a baby, you will get a special 90 days window to enroll your new family members, and the coverage can be backdated to the actual date of the marriage or birth. And advantage 5, LWP coverage continues. On medical leave without pay, your coverage doesn't stop. Premium is recovered once you resume your work or through full and final settlement if you don't return. Advantage 6, post retirement continuity. Even after retirement, you can continue TCS HIS by paying the full premium yourself after every year, and you will get login credentials and claims access and shared at the time of the retirement. Advantage 7, income tax benefits. The premium you pay personally for parents and plan upgrades, etc., may qualify for income tax deductions under the applicable laws. Advantage 8, fully digital. Everything enrollment, beneficiary updates, and claim fillings is done online through the Ultimatix and Maven mobile app. Now, let's be real, no policy is perfect. Here are few limitations you must know. Limitation 1, strict enrollment window. You can only make changes once a year during the March or April window opens. If you missed it, you have to wait until the next financial year. Limitation 2, there is a lock-in period for on plan upgrade. Once you upgrade your plan, you are locked in for the 3 consecutive years and no going back to default plan. Limitation 3, 3-year lock-in for late parent enrollment. If you enroll your parents after initial of the 90 days joining window, a 3-year lock-in applies. You cannot remove during this period except in case of the unfortunate death. Limitation 4, 1 year waiting period for the parent enrollment. During the first year of the late parent enrollment, there is a no regular claims will be admitted. Only critical illnesses listed under the policies will be covered. Limitation 5, there is a no dual coverage for the TCS couple. If you and your spouse works at TCS, you cannot enroll for each other or the same dependents under the both policies. Dual coverage is strictly not allowed. Limitation 6, children age restrictions. Children is above 25 years of age or those who are employed or married cannot be enrolled in this period. And limitation 7, no premium deferred. As I mentioned, once premium is deducted from your account, you will get zero refund in mid-year or under any circumstance. Limitation 8, coverage ends on the last working day. This is the very important. This moment you resign or separate from TCS, your coverage stops on your exact last working day. There is a no grace period. All right. So how do you actually enroll? It's just 5 simple steps on the Ultimatix. Step 1, access the enrollment link. Just go to Ultimatix applications and employee services and click on the global ESS, and there is one option called as benefits and tax. In that, health insurance scheme, and click on that beneficiary details. Step 2, dual coverage declaration. The system will ask, does any family member also works at TCS? If yes, you can declare it, or else ignore. This is the mandatory. Dual coverage is not allowed. And step 3, update beneficiaries. Click on update beneficiary and add the name, relationship, and date of birth of your each family member you want to enroll. Note, if you are enrolling your spouse for the first time, first update your marital status under my profile, basic details, and my details. This is takes 1 to 2 hours to refresh. Step 4, review premium. Based on your plan and the beneficiaries you have added, the system automatically calculates your premium, and you have to review it carefully on the right panel. Step 5, confirm and submit. Review everything and click on S to confirm. Remember, the last saved submission before the window closes is the considered as a final. And that's it, you're enrolled. Now, what about when you actually need to use the insurance? Here, how the claims work. For cashless claims, if you are admitted a network hospital, the hospital directly coordinates with Medi Assisted for the approval. You just show your e-card. For reimbursement claims, you have to pay first, then submit the bills on the Ultimatix in the below path. And here are some key deadlines you have must remember. Hospitalization claims file within 90 days of the discharge, and OPD claims file within 90 days of the expense, and end of the year claims all must to be filled before 30th April. If the 30th April deadline passes, the claims window closes and you cannot file anymore. So don't wait. Let me quickly cover some important special situations. First one is on leave without pay. Coverage continues, but premium is recovered when you return or via full and final settlement if you don't. Second, resigning from TCS. Coverage stops on your last working day. File all pending claims on or before that day. And third, want to continue insurance after leaving TCS? Yes, you can contact the insurance company and download your policy continuation letter from the Ultimatix. Four, retiring from TCS. Great news. You can still continue HIS by paying the full annual premium yourself, and you will get your login credentials and claims access are emailed to your retirement. And that is the complete breakdown of the TCS health insurance scheme. And this is the quick summary. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and share and follow and subscribe to InfoBuzz Tech. And drop your questions in the comment below and I read every single comment. And see you in the next one. Take care.